My name is Berk Kasimcan. I'm originally from Turkey. I grew up in Ankara. My major is bioengineering. I'm concentrating in systems and devices. After graduation, I'm planning to continue with the accelerated master's program that I got in during my undergrad studies. After I finish my master's program, I'm planning to continue with post-traumatic injury treatments and robotics for people who suffer through a bunch of injuries. Honestly, when it comes to Mason's organizations, I've done every single thing that came to my newsletter, from Mason's bioengineering organizations to World Health Organization to TED Talk organizations to everything that you name it, I've done it. But my personal favorite will definitely be Mason Ambassadors, since we are a huge family with student involvement to admissions. So that's definitely my college highlight right there. I'm really proud of the communication skills that I developed here at Mason. As a high schooler, I didn't have the skill to go out of my way and talk to people, engage with different student organizations. But once I actually, get into Mason Nation, I start developing those skills from communicating with others, getting out of my comfort zone. So I think my biggest achievement will be learning how to get out of my comfort zone. So me being part of those communities actually gave me a chance to grow and also be a part of a bunch of families.